Make sure you're scanning this code and signing in, so we can keep giving you pizza and whatnot. And also, yeah, it's the first slide, just grab pizza. Because at this point, since everyone is here, while you guys are signing in and everything, feel free, you guys can now grab pizza. All right, do like one slice a person first. There's quite a lot of people here, so. And if you want, down here are some pins for SEC. We also have stickers. They're not here right now. They're going to be coming soon. So grab a pin if you want. Grab some stickers later. They're all yours. Yeah. Oh, geez. So, while everyone's wrapping up here, we'll get started. So, first thing we're gonna go over is we have some speakers here who want to present some opportunities for you guys. So we'll go over a few of those. And then third, obviously we have stickers and pins right here, but if you want SEC t-shirts, we're launching a form that you can fill out with your, sizing information and whatnot. And, yeah, basically, if you attend, I think when we'll be giving them out in later events. Yeah. So if you sign up for them now, we'll be giving them out later in the semester. So if you're interested in one, fill out the form. And then we're just gonna go over our upcoming events for the semester. We've got a social, a few workshops, the usual stuff. Okay. So to start, IPPD.
Hey, come on. My name is Larry Warren. Oh, I don't need that. I'm loud enough. My name is Larry Warren. I am the lab manager for IPPD. How many people have heard of IPPD? That's good. But you'll know more after I talk. How many of you are freshmen or sophomore? Ooh, okay. How many juniors? Couple of juniors. How many seniors? One senior. I have nothing for seniors. I'm sorry. Freshmen and sophomores, you'll hear this talk again next year. Basically, I'm talking to the juniors in the room. As a senior, you will do a capstone senior project. And you can do it through your department, or you can join us in IPPD. IPPD stands for Integrated Product and Process Design. It's a 2-semester senior project course. We get companies, big companies like FP&L and Duke Power and Fanatics and CAE, Raytheon. They all pay us, basically sponsor projects, and they want you to solve their real world problems. You'll be on a team of 4 to 7 students. A lot of our teams are just software people. We have like a lot of software projects, but a lot of them are mixed departments. So you could be 2 chemical engineers, a mechanical engineer, and a computer science major on a team, for example. And they solve these real problems. You have a coach that is a faculty member that's assigned to your team. You meet with your coach weekly. You'll meet with these companies weekly. It's a great way for companies to see you and you to see them. But you have to apply and you have to be approved by your department, and we have to pick you to join IPPD. This year, we have almost 100 students in IPPD doing senior projects with us. So if you're interested, we have 3 sessions coming up, free pizza. You can join us in any one of these, free pizza. All you need to do is sign here at RSVP so we can order plenty of free pizza. The talk won't be long, a few minutes. Our director will talk about 15, 20 minutes or so. The rest is just questions and answers and social. Questions? Sure.
Can you do it remotely?
No. I hope to see you at one of the sessions and I hope to see you in IPPD next year. Thanks, guys.
All right, and then additionally, we have a speaker from iExperience to tell you about their program.
How's it going, everybody? I'm just here to talk to you a little bit about my experience. It's a program that I did last summer that offers, you can go to the next slide. They offer 2 locations in Cape Town and Lisbon, in Cape Town, South Africa, and Lisbon, Portugal. You can go next slide. And then they have 5 main programs. There's investment banking, management consulting, data science, software engineering, and UX UI design. And obviously, you guys are software engineers, so you'd be most interested in the data science and software engineering programs. So the data science course, you'll basically learn how to use Python to manipulate like data science or data sets and train AI algorithms. You'll learn how to like manage the entire data science pipeline from raw data to implementing like industry standard models. And then you'll use like the fundamentals of machine learning, evaluate and compare machine learning models and determine which is best. You'll practice data sourcing, cleaning, and visualization, all using Git, and develop, the soft skills necessary to excel and diverse international workplace. And then for software engineering, you'll learn how to use like code editor, like a Visual Studio, get the basics of Git and GitHub, and then HTML, CSS, JavaScript, all things like that, just debugging websites, publishing websites, everything like that. So basically, you can go next slide. The way it's structured is like for the first 2 weeks of the process, you get like in-person instruction from an industry professional. For you guys, it'd be like somebody working for Google or Microsoft. And then for those 2 weeks, you get like you learn all of like those basics and everything. And then you'd go through like a whole internship matching period. And then for like the 4 weeks after, you work for the company you matched with, developing solutions in software or in data science. And basically, what I did is I did the management consulting track. And then for like the 2 weeks, I learned all of the basic consulting framework and everything that goes into consulting. And then basically for the 4 weeks following, I worked as like an in-house consultant for a startup actually founded by an ex-Google exec or former member of like the executive board of Google. And he like went off with the Walmart and Uber former executives and started their own startup. So it was a really cool experience for me. But yeah, and it's just I did in Cape Town. It's a beautiful city. It's wonderful. So many things to do. Wonderful cultures. It's awesome. So I highly recommend it. So here's like the whole kind of application process. You'll go to the portal on the website, fill in an application, you'll interview. You should receive a decision within like 3 weeks. And so you're always welcome to reach out to me. I'm going to leave. I'll send you guys my contact info after this whole session's over, but you can go to the next slide if you guys are interested. Oh, and then also we have like 4,000 plus alumni from all like the top universities across the country. So there's a huge network for you guys to reach out to once you do the program. But yeah, if you guys are interested, you can scan this QR code right here. And then I also will send out like the link and my contact info and all the information afterwards. So thank you guys very much.
I'll give you guys a few seconds to scan this if you want. All right. So next up, a student actually got into contact with me. His name's Luke, and he's actually developing a platform for software engineers where you can connect with companies. It's called AimSet, and right now he's looking for beta testers for his platform that he's newly created. So we brought him on to talk about his platform a little bit and to kind of pitch it to you guys. So if you want to help out, you can get into contact with him. I'm sure he'll elaborate on that. And so Luke, if you're ready, you can,
Yeah, can you guys hear me? Am I good? Can you hear me?
I can't hear you now.
Uh, um, This is awkward.
Luke, try speaking now.
Can you guys hear me now? Am I good?
Yeah, we can hear you. Should we pull up the pitch deck?
Sorry, I can like barely hear on the thing, and if you guys could hear me, I guess I could. Um, I'm assuming I can't
You can hear.
speak and have a okay. I literally this is so delayed and everything. It's so difficult. But anyway, how's it going, guys? I'm building a platform, connect you guys with real project ideas. So if you go to the next slide. Yeah, so this is me, and this is my pup, just so you guys know a little bit about me. I'm actually at FGCU. The only thing that we're really known for is our basketball team for that 1 year at that one time. So we're not that popular, but anyway, I'm coming to reach out to you guys because I'm the founder at AimSet and future Chipotle ambassador. I eat there like 4 times a week. It's for the gains, and this is my pup. He's a golden retriever, just got him. But regardless, if you go to the next slide, I'm here to talk to you guys about AimSet and what we're building here. So if you continue going forward, you're like, probably, what the hell is this? This is just a space to find your purpose in tech. And you might be asking yourself, like, why would I need this? If you go to the next one. I pulled out a quick quote from Mark Twain. He said the 2 most important days in your life are the day you were born and the day you find out why. And I figure a lot of people might cross over this question of why am I on this earth? And we kind of provide you that opportunity to align your career with your purpose, which is kind of crucial for finding true fulfillment and happiness in life. Which is, I guess, a kind of more of deeper thought question type deal. But if you go to the next slide. So how does this work? We pretty much manage an online space full of unique project ideas, and this is fully remote and worldwide. So obviously with the power of the internet, we could connect with pretty much anyone, anywhere. And this is your chance to network with others in tech and launch really cool projects. If you keep going. This is a little, I guess, sneak peek of what we're trying to build. It won't look this pretty and everything off the bat, but regardless, what's in it for you? Obviously, you get to find your clarity and purpose. And this is just when you dive into projects that resonate with your interests and skills, and you get to actively learn and contribute to a lot of different people's ideas. Skill set growth just goes hand in hand with that, and credibility for portfolio building. And also just listing things on your resume, and getting endorsements from other people in the field is a big plus. If you keep going, yeah. So, like Max said, we're soft launching. So what that is, it's the release of a new product or service to a restricted audience like you guys, so we can market it in advance of the full launch. So we could really use some contributors and feedback from you guys, which would be what I'm talking about in the next slide. Yeah, just anyone that's ambitious to volunteer and get the firsthand look into this thing that we're building. We spent like 2 years on it. We're actually a remote team of 10 people spreading from Ireland to the UK, pretty much everywhere. And then feedback that you guys can give us, like through surveys or 2 to 3 minute quick calls is really beneficial for us. And then I think the last slide is up next. Yeah, so come join us. This is my Riz / presentation to get you guys to come on board and help us out. So maybe just take a picture of this if you're interested. Not me, probably, because that's weird, but just take a picture of my like email or phone number or whatever. I'm always available. And we have weekly or monthly hackathons that I can talk to you guys about if you're interested, fully remote. But yeah, I don't know if I could hear you guys, but I have a question slide and I'd be willing to answer anything if I can understand what you're saying. If not, thank you for letting me present.
Do we have any questions? All right, cool. Thanks, Luke. Great presentation. You know, my parents always told me, if you don't have a career, you'll never be fulfilled in life. So you know, it's great to see you hit that home. But no, if you're interested, reach out, help them beta test the app because it's great what they're doing. And thank you, Luke.
Thank you. Take care, guys.
Okay. Back on track. All right. So you may or may not know about Clubfinity. We have a huge dev team that works on this app called Clubfinity, which is a club management app. But our dev team has like grown so large that we're looking into expanding our horizons and taking up new projects. So we are opening the floor to you guys. If you guys have any suggestions for what our dev team could help develop, we're going to open a project proposals channel on Discord. If you have an idea, just like send it in there. I think Xander already has like a lot of formatting stuff that you can adhere to. Like the channel's already set up and everything. And we like tentatively prefer projects that are like targeted with like us as like the target audience, right? Something that computer science students here can like use to make their lives a little bit easier, right? Just like how Clubfinity was meant to connect you guys with clubs like us. Maybe a project, if you have an idea for a project that kind of makes our lives easier, we'd love to hear it. So, but obviously, if you have any other great ideas, throw them in there as well. All right, we have a dev team and we'd like to kind of expand our horizons there. So if you have any next Facebook, there it is. Okay, and also SEC t-shirts. So right here is a form. If you're interested, if you want a free t-shirt, go ahead, scan this QR code. It should link you to a form where you can input your confidential information. You know, 3 numbers on the back and everything. And we can get you guys a shirt. So when are we thinking of giving out the shirts? Like throughout the events and whatnot? Actually, okay. Well, let me scan the code first. Yeah, so the idea is if you have it there and we get the t-shirts out, you guys can come out to our events and we'll have the shirts there for you guys to pick up. So I'll go back. If you want a shirt, scan the code here and we'll be giving them out throughout the rest of the semester. Yeah, what's up? Project proposal? It's not there yet. We'll throw it up right like once we're done with this. But yeah, it'll be there like by tonight. Okay. And then the upcoming events. So next week we have a movie night social. We actually haven't decided on the movie yet, but if you guys have any suggestions, like throw it in a different channel, not the project proposals. We don't have a movie proposals channel, but just like throw it in general or something. You guys can start talking about whatever. Obviously spring break, and then we have 2 workshops at the end of the semester, a AI fundamentals workshop. We were thinking PyTorch, and then a web scraping workshop. And then I think we have a few events after that, right? Yeah. Like we're planning for a UI design with Figma workshop after that as well. So if you're interested in any of these coming up over the next month, do come check it out again. And we're going to be having another GBM like this near the end of the semester as well. And I think that's about it for us. Signing it. Oh, yeah. Yeah, what's up? UI workshop. I'll be so 3 weeks after spring break. I'm gonna check real quick. Yeah, I don't trust them. It is the 10th of March. Or April. No, not March. I don't know my months. Sorry. 4 weeks after spring break. Okay, sure. But yeah, we'll go back to the sign-in form as well. If you guys came late and you didn't sign in, please do, you know. Get us more pizza. But thank you guys all for coming out. That's all we have. We'll be talking to people after, so if you want to say hi, don't be afraid to.
Also, yeah, we still have stickers if anyone wants them.
True, stickers and pins, Club Finity stickers even.